Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day so far. So as you can see from the title down below, today I am opening up this box of goodies here, which you're probably thinking, Millie, what the hell is that white box? Like, that's nothing. This is a Beauty Bay mystery box. Now, I do believe I paid £35 for this, and it says on the website that this is worth £115.50. Very specific, so I will of course add up the price of all of the items that I have in this box. It comes with 11 makeup and skincare products, including one of our best selling palettes. So I do believe all of the 9pan palettes, and I absolutely love them. I do definitely have my eye on some of the larger palettes, like the 16 and the 42 pan, because obviously then you get more colours, and I already know that I love the formula, I love the shimmers, I love the mattes, I love the Beauty Bay eyeshadows. I do also have some of the face products, so I have a bronzer and I have a blush. Would definitely be interested in more shades of this. Very interested to see what skincare products I will get, and of course I am expecting to have duplicate products in this that I already own. I am fully expecting that. I'm completely okay with that because I can just give them to my friends, or I don't know, just have multiple of products that I already love. So let's just dive straight on in. Okay, so we've got a brush, we've got a makeup brush. This is, what are you? This says that it is the Bake Off brush. And I'm filming this on Bake Off Day, so that is timely. And I don't believe I have tried a brush from, a face brush from Beauty Bay. So let's see. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that is a soft brush. So, like I say, this is the Bake Off brush, and that is like an angled powder brush. That would be perfect for like getting bronzer into the cheeks. Yes, that is going straight in my little tub of brushes just there. Oh my gosh, there's a huge palette. There's a 42 pan palette. There's a 42 pan palette. Right, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right, so skincare, we have the Skin Hit Protecting Serum, Anti-Pollution and Blue Light Actives for shielding and reinforcing skin. Great, that sounds fantastic. Obviously I can't test these today, but I will report back. And then we have the Hyperpigmentation Serum, Tranexamic Acid and alpha-arbutin, something like that. Tackling uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation appearance. Oh, these are really nice, like big bottles as well. Very excited to give these a go. So Skin Hit, is that a Beauty Bay brand? Yeah, by Beauty Bay. I've not tried any skincare from Beauty Bay, so I will give these a go and report back. Then we have a colour stick. This is one of the Dumbo ones. I already have one of these, but I'm assuming, judging by the packaging, that this is a blue shade. I already have the yellow one, and I do use it quite a bit, so let's see. Yes, so this is in the shade Dumbo Sky. Ooh, that is pretty. How about that for a blue shade? Yeah, that's really pretty. I feel like that will really come into its own in spring. It's not really the time of year for pastel blue, but here for it anyway. Then we have a lipstick. So this is the Beauty Bay Matte Lipstick in the shade Freckle. Okay, yeah, that is my perfect nude. Will be wearing that today. How pretty is that? And that doesn't look like it's too dry either, like for a matte lipstick. It looks like that's a nice finish in the shade Freckle. Love it. Then we have the First Prime Oil Control Priming Mist. Another thing that I've never tried from Beauty Bay, a priming mist or any sort of primer. Really, I don't think I've ever had one. So, Oil Control Priming Mist. I don't have a huge problem with oil. It says a shine controlling mist to prep and prime the skin for flawless makeup application, helping to reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. This lightweight mist creates a smooth canvas while keeping makeup looking fresh for longer. To prime the lids, spray mist on the back of the hand and use a brush to pat on. So you can use it as an eyeshadow primer. Great. Let's see what this smells like. That has a very strange scent. What does that smell like? That almost smells like orange cordial, which I'm not sure is a scent that I necessarily want all over my skin, but oh, it's a little bit spitty. I've got a few little bits, but definitely as an eyelid primer, that's how I would use this, I think, because I don't have oily skin. But great to have. Feels nice on the skin, doesn't feel like it's drying. Yeah. So, crayon eyeliner quad. If you saw my haul recently, I did a Beauty Bay haul, I will link that up here. I got some metallic eyeliners. I got the shade Cushion, and I haven't had a chance to try it yet, but I did swatch it on the back of my hand. Yes, so there is cushion in this, so that's an extra one. I will leave that one out, but we also have Peacock. Ooh, I think I was looking at this one. So Peacock is a tealy, turquoisey, oh my gosh, that's beautiful colour. Sorry, finish your sentence before you go off on a tangent. So that's the Peacock shade. I am obsessed with that colour. I'm so happy that I have this. Then we have Antique. Ooh, and this is like an antique-y, goldy sort of, almost got a little bit of khaki in it. That is really pretty, and like I say, these are metallic, so they're like a little bit reflective. Big fan. I love these shades on like blue eyes as well, so big fan. And then we have Deep, which looks like it's a navy. Ooh, so this is like black but with navy glitter in it, and I think on camera that's just going to show up as a straight up black, but it's not. It's got a lot of depth to it, and those blue shimmers in that are beautiful. But I love that Peacock shade. That is me in an eyeliner. Very excited. So that was the eyeliner quad. Very happy with those. I'm leaving the palette to last, can you tell? Because I think it's going to be amazing. So there's another palette here. This is the Disney Colour, the Jungle Book 6 colour palette. Pressed pigment palette featuring 6 colourful shades with an ultra blendable and buildable formula, perfect for creating a spectrum of looks. And I'm guessing, judging by these colours on the side, that this is going to be like purples. It's got the Jungle Book on the front of it! Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's so pretty. So it says along the top, the Jungle Book 1967. Is that when the Jungle Book came out? These colours. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I would have never picked this up. Like, I would never pick up these colours. But they are so pretty. They're almost like dusky. They're like not really bright, vibrant colours, which obviously makes sense for the film, but they are so pretty. You've got greens, you've got purples, and all of these are matte as well. Beauty Bay matte formulas are fantastic. Some of my favourite. So I will put that back in the box. I may well use that today. They are so pretty. Right, we've got a huge palette. So, oh, this is the Bright palette. 42 colour Bright palette. Oh, and there's more. Okay, there's more. So before I get into the palette, we have the Beauty Bay Jade Facial Roller. Now I have a facial roller and I always forget to use it when I'm doing my skincare. I know that I need to, I just always forget to. Oh, this is so pretty. It's green, which is obviously very much my vibe. That is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna have to like remember to use these when I'm doing my evening skincare. The problem is, by the time I'm doing my skincare in an evening, I just want to get my makeup off and get to sleep. But I will try and make more of an effort to use a jade roller. Then we've got a lip gloss. So this is in the shade, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. This is in the shade Candy. That's what that looks like. That looks like sweets. It smells like sweets, but like in a really great way. Let's see what that colour looks like. Oh wow, that's more pigmented than I was expecting it to be. So that's that just there. That's a really pretty shade. Very wearable, and it smells great. And again, don't think I've ever tried a Beauty Bay lip gloss. So let's just get into the bad boy. So the 42 colour Bright palette. I already had my eye on this on the Beauty Bay website because, I mean, I love colour. I love wearing colourful makeup. So obviously I already had my eye on this, but I've never seen it. Like, I've obviously looked at the pictures on the website, but I've never seen it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can feel myself like welling up. This is so pretty. So this has all of your colours. All of them. Like, tell me that that is not the prettiest, colourful, most colourful eyeshadow palette that you've ever seen in your life. I'm actually speechless. This is beautiful. I'm going to resist. I'm not going to put this one on today. I'm going to do a full video on this. If you want to see swatches and me nearly tearing up again over an eyeshadow palette, then you can subscribe down below. I will play with this some more, but not today. Oh, but it's so pretty. These like greeny shades and the pinks, and then like all of your nudes. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and Lagoon. Oh, I can't. No, I'm going to do a whole other video just on this. So that will be coming soon. I will use the Jungle Book one today. So I will just put on the rest of my face. I will just do blusher and bronzer, the ones that I already had out. I was thinking if I got a blusher and a bronzer then I would use them, but I didn't, so I will just pop some of this on. So I'm going to use the Jungle Book palette today, and I'm just going to do something very simple because I want to use one of those eyeliners. So I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go into this shade down here, this like greeny shade, and I'm just going to apologise in advance for the light. We are chasing the light today. I have all of my ring lights on, I have my huge light above me, but it's a grey, miserable day. So just dipping into that green shade, pretending that it's bright outside, and I'm going to start packing that on sort of through the crease and all over the lid, and then I'll use one of those pencils because they looked amazing. So I'm going to just go in with a smaller fluffy brush into this like lilac-y shade, and I'm going to pack that onto the lid. Tap off the excess because they are quite dusty, but they're so incredibly pigmented. Ooh, they go together really nicely. Green and lilac together. What a combo. So I'm just going to use that same smaller brush and go into that darkish shade, that grey shade, and I'm just going to put a tiny bit of that on the outer corner, and then I will go in with one of those pencils. Okay, so that is all of those matte shades down, and I absolutely love those colours together. I would never put lilac and green together, but they look really, really pretty. So I want to go in with that peacock shade, that like tealy, turquoisey, I'm absolutely obsessed with shade. So I will just try and do some sort of wing graphic liner thing. Be right back. Okay, that was easy enough to do. I will just zoom you in so that you can see this, because that is such a beautiful colour. These were really nice and creamy, really easy to get to this level of pigment. I will zoom you in. So can you see how like glittery and like metallic these are? That was so easy to draw on. They're not at all equal, just ignore that, but they are so pretty and I absolutely love that colour. I wanted to do something so you could see a little bit more of the colour, but this is obviously not something that I would wear out and about. So I will just put on a little bit of mascara and then we can do the lips. It is completely black outside now, completely dark. So that is the eyes done, mascara on. My lights are so bright, they are hurting my eyes. Does that look better? Can you see a bit better now, or does that look exactly the same? My lights, I need new lights. Right, so I'm going to use the Freckle lipstick and then I will put some of the lip gloss over the top. So this is a matte lipstick, it says, which I love. I love me a matte lipstick. So let's see how pigmented this is and how easy it goes on. Okay, so this is more cool toned, and I feel like with the cool toned eyes, that's maybe not a vibe, but really, really comfortable. Doesn't feel matte yet. Doesn't feel matte yet. Feels more like a satiny finish. The only thing is that is a little bit grey toned, isn't it? But I definitely feel like there is a time and a place for a lipstick like this. So I will tap over a little bit of the lip gloss. Like I say, this was in the shade Candy. Oh no, I didn't think this through. Now I've got that all over the applicator. Never mind. Well, that's just livened it up a little bit, hasn't it? So I will just put on a little bit more blush because I feel like I need to counteract the coolness in everything that I have on. But that is my full review. I feel like I got some really great products in this box. I feel like I've definitely gotten my money's worth. Like, what did I say it was worth? £35 I paid, and I was going to pay like 24 just for that bright eyeshadow palette that I haven't even gotten into today. So it's like I've got everything else here, the pencils, the skincare, the lip products, I've got all of that for like £9. No, £11. Gosh, maths is not my strong point. But yeah, that definitely feels like a bargain to me, and now I have some of the products that I was already going to buy full price and some new products that I haven't tried before. I feel like this was really, really successful. But yes, definitely like so glad that I got that box. I didn't add it up, the light is completely gone. I will put it on screen, all of the products that I have here added up, and this is the total. I definitely feel like it's more than the £35 that I paid. So very, very big fan of all of the products that I got. If you want to see that bright palette swatched, tested, etc, etc, I will certainly be doing that like as soon as the sun comes back up tomorrow, because I am so excited by that palette. If you want to see other Beauty Bay tested videos, I have a whole playlist. I have a whole playlist just for Beauty Bay products. I think they're fantastic. I cannot go on about them enough, so I will link that playlist up here. If there's any other mystery boxes, here's a challenge for you. If there's any other mystery boxes that you want to see me test, then please do let me know down below, because I've tested the Profusion one, that one was great, and I've tested this one. Also think that this one was great. So if there's any others that you've seen on the market, let me know. More than happy to pick up some more. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.